This is the newest lead scraping method in 2024 you need to use in order to scrape leads like a pro. So if you use this method in 2024, you're gonna be easily scraping leads that are going to make you money. So as an agency owner, it is hard to find good leads. It is hard to get in contact with actual business owners, and we need to improve that. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know and how to scrape leads and how to get to the business contact and how to actually automate all of this, and the value is going to be crazy. So stick to this end of this video and you are going to learn this, and if you implement all of this, it is going to be so easy for you to scrape leads and get the clients. So with this method, you'll scrape leads easily and contact them, and you don't need to worry about giving $1,000+ on software for high quality leads, and the software is going to do exact same thing we are going to do in this video. So you don't need to pay $1,000+ for bullshit softwares like Apollo and trying to find like perfect scraping leads. So you need to know that when you pay these softwares, you're going to get the same input as we do this. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to automate all of this. You don't need to lift a fucking finger. And everything we're going to cover in this video is going to be in this Google Doc. If you want the link to this Google Doc and to the automation and to this Miro, just DM me through Instagram and I'm going to share with you, and we can hop on a call so I can implement all of the systems for you and guide you one-on-one to scale to your first $50,000 easily. So let's implement the newest leading scrape method. I'm about to reveal a secret strategy that is going to help you to get the highest quality leads for free. You don't need to pay expensive softwares, no more bad leads. You're going to get the straight contact to owner, manager, or SEO of the company. It is going to be super simple and can be done with one click when you automate it. And there is not an easier video than this, and you're going to love it. And this method works across all niches. So if you're contacting roofers, restaurants, coaches, consultants, and stuff like that, you can contact everyone. So make sure you stick around until the end to fully understand this and leverage this. So let's dive into this video. By the way, drop a like. It is one click to you, but it means a lot to me. First thing we need to do is to go on Apify. The Apify is the big platform like Amazon where you can get all of the softwares, extractors, lead scrapers, and stuff like that. Let's go onto this site through this link. You need to go on apify.com and .com store, and the website is going to look like something like this. And you need to make an account. When you make an account like I made here, it will be easy for you to follow the steps I show here. So when you got on this first page, you want to click on Google Map Extractor. Give it 1 second to load. When you load it, you have manual option, JSON file, and you don't need to code anything or stuff like that. It is going to be super simple. This looks like there's a lot of, but no, it's easy. You just need to know search a term. You need to search restaurant at maybe New York if you are targeting restaurants, or you can go coaches, or roofers, or stuff like that. So we are going to go with restaurants at New York. We can go with this number of places per each term URL. This is optional, but this is how many leads we are getting. I'll do this 4 or 5 times because, okay, I'm going to move myself over here. You can get a better view of this. Then we can use language English, and this is some external stuff. Deep city scrape. You can deeply scrape the cities. So yes, and we just need to click the button here, save and start, and we're going to give it a bit of time to load, and this is starting. We are running the actor, and you can see that we got the leads here. So you got the place name, the total score, the reviews, the street, the city, the state, the country code, website, phone, category, and URL, as you can see here. So what we are going to do is get preview in a new tab. We're going to get this in a new tab. You can just copy this and paste in the Google Sheet, but don't do it because we're going to get the straight info from the owner and their number, and it is going to scrape much deeper into the website of the restaurant, and we're going to contact the manager, the SEO, or someone who has the higher role in the actual restaurant. So keep watching. When you do all the steps, you go to Apify, you log in, you find the Google Map Extractor. The 4th step is to set up the tool properly using the right settings, choosing the right niche. 5th step, that is going to be to run the automation, and when the automation is finished, we are going to get the results, and we're going to to copy the ID on the export tab. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So then what we are going to do is to export the file results here, and we're going to simply download it. When you download it as CSV file, you can import it in Google Sheet. Also, what is this thing doing is that it goes to Google Maps and it extracts the names and the businesses we want to actually contact. So when people say to you, you need to go on Google Maps, you need to turn on the instant data scraper or some scraper tool, and then you need to scroll, then you need to change the nickname, then you can export it to Google Sheet. Right now, you just set the number here, and you just need to press one button to get this much leads. Obviously, I did only 5 because of the experiments, and then you can export it as Google Sheet. Right now, we are going to go on to... Right now, what we want to do is... You can set tools. So now the most important thing is to copy this code here. You need to copy this code, and then Google Email Maps Extractor, Google Maps Email Extractor, it doesn't really matter. Then you want to find this exact one, Lucas Krivica, Google Maps with contact details. Don't go with those, go with this one. Then what we want to do is just to paste the code. We copy it from the Google Maps extractor. We're going to save and run. The run is starting and the Agger is getting the data. You just need to wait a little bit. Then guys, this is actually crazy. You got the additional info, the address, the categories, the city, and everything you need to know about the business. Then you're just going to want to click on export and export the files. So when you've done that, you can preview it. You can preview it in the new tab, and that's basically it. 6th step is to find the Google Maps email. We've done that. 7th step is to paste ID. We copy it. We done that. 8th step is to export it as CSV file and simply put it in the Google Sheet. And that's it. And if you thought this is everything, no, we're going to take this on to the next level and provide as much value as possible so you can do this on autopilot without getting on Apify. We are going to use make.com. If you don't know what the make.com is, it is basically automation tool. Without coding, you don't need to be an expert or developer. You can use the automation as no code software, and it isn't that difficult. So I pasted the link here. You're just going to want to open this link. You are going to get on this tab, and this software is really simple. This automation I made is really simple. You just need to open, name this variable, search.vs.io, and variable is the niche we want to pursue. Then it is going into Apify. Here we just need to connect the API key. We can find it on Apify integration. Then we're going to input the JSON file. JSON file can be on Apify. You go to store, Google Maps Extractor. Then we're going to use this JSON file and then just simply copy it and paste it on there. You don't need to code anything. You just need to copy and paste it here. Then you want to connect this tool with here, and it is automatically going to change your niche. Then you're going to put this on sleep mode with 30-second delay. This means that we don't want to get like banned or get blacklisted, because we don't want to put this, for an example, on 1 second. We want to get this on 30 seconds. And we just click OK. How we make a new model is just by right click, add new model, and then we just click the plus sign, and then we can add the Apify, we can add the tool, and that's it. How we delete it, the right click and delete module. The Apify, how to run the Apify, wait, let me put me here. Okay, I don't want to do that. We click there, we connect the API, then we just want to select the actor, that is Lucas Krivica. This is that scraper we clicked. Then we are going to use the JSON as we did on previous Apify module that is here. And we don't want to change this stuff. We just want to stay like it's here. We can choose this option run Boolean, which is actually the thing that will wait the actor, and it is going to make it delayed. This means that we don't get banned. We can make it this yes, or we can make it no, but just leave it as yes. And here also, if we put it here yes, we just stay yes. And if you want this automation, I can send it to you, or I showed you how you can easily replicate it. You just need the Apify and the tools here, and you just need to connect the API and paste the JSON file, and that's basically it. I'm going to share you the Google Docs that just lists my words that I said here, so you can just easy follow it if you want to build it yourself. So that's actually it. The value is crazy, and if you want the automation, I can send it over to you and we're going to book a call. So if we are the right fit on working together with runnerscaling.io, and then I can help you scale to 50k a month. We just need to see if we are the right fit on working together. Thanks for watching. Book a call down with me. God bless and bye.